Here's something a 7-year-old can do that the most advanced AI models still get wrong. Show one of them a photo of an ordinary clock reading 3:47 and ask the time it is. Very often it will answer with complete confidence, 10:10. It's not even close. And the reason it fails tells you something surprising about how AI actually sees. And it isn't a one-off. People have fed these models clock after clock, hands in all sorts of positions, and the answers cluster around the same spot, about 10 past 10. Quarter past 3 comes back as 10:10. 8:40 comes back as 10:10. Same confident, specific, wrong answer over and over. Stop and notice how strange that is. We teach clock reading in primary school. The same model can describe a street scene, read a label, and explain a chart, but the two hands on a dial beat it. This isn't the model being weak. It's doing something completely different from what you'd think.
Here's the key idea. When the model looks at a clock, it is not measuring the hands. It never works out the angle of either hand. It matches the picture against the millions of clock photos it saw in training and answers with what a clock usually looks like. It recognizes a clock. It doesn't read it. To see why, think about how a vision model takes in an image. It chops the picture into a grid of small patches and looks for patterns it has seen before. It's brilliant at recognizing what something is, but it has no built-in idea of geometry. It never traces a line and measures the angle it makes. Now, here's the part that makes it guess 10:10 specifically. Look at where clock photos come from. Almost every watch and clock you've ever seen in an advert or a stock photo is set to roughly 10 past 10. Open a shopping site, flip through a catalog, and it's 10:10, 10:10, 10:10. The training data is drowning in it. So when the model reaches for what a clock looks like, 10:10 is the overwhelming answer.
Why 10:10 and not some other time? It's a design choice, repeated for decades. The hands sit up and out of the way, framing the brand name. The shape looks like a little smile, and nothing important is covered. Photographers have posed watches this way forever, so the model inherited it. Now compare that to actually reading the clock. To read 3:47, you have to do a little geometry. The big hand points down and to the left. Measured from the top, that's an angle of 282 degrees. Divide by 6 because each minute is 6 degrees, and you get 47 minutes. The little hand sits between 3 and 4, so the hour is 3. That measure the angle step is exactly the step the model skips. So two things stack up against it. One, its training is flooded with clocks at 10:10, so that's its default guess. Two, it matches the look of a clock instead of measuring the angles, so the real hands can't correct that guess. Biased data plus no real measurement.
And this is bigger than clocks. Anything where you read a precise value off a dial trips the same wire. Speedometers, pressure gauges, a thermometer, the marks on a ruler. The model will happily tell you it's a gauge. Ask for the exact number the needle points at, and it's guessing. So how do you get a right answer? Don't ask a pattern matcher to measure. First, make it describe the scene. Say out loud where each hand is pointing before committing to a time. Then have it do the angle math step by step. And best of all, hand the job to a tool. Let a bit of code find the hands and compute the angle, and let the model just read the result back. Step back, and this teaches the big lesson about AI vision. Recognizing is not the same as reading. These models are brilliant at telling you what is in a picture, and far shakier when you need a precise value measured out of it. Want to try it yourself? There's an interactive version on Unrote.com.
Quick recap. 1. The model doesn't measure the hands, it matches the look of a clock. 2. Nearly every clock photo it trained on is set to 10:10, so that's its default guess. 3. Reading a clock for real is angle math, and the fix is to make it describe and measure, or hand the job to a tool. That's why AI can't read an analog clock. It recognizes the look of one, it doesn't measure the hands. The full interactive version is on Unrote.com. This is Unrote. Understand it, don't memorize it.